So I'd have to say it's probably one of the best experiences of having anybody in the home repair, field come out to your home and, treat it with a great respect and also deliver on their promises.
I heard about clean air when our heater went out, and I texted my friend who's an electrician, our neighbor, and he said, well, I have this guy and I really like him, so he gave me his number and he was able to come out like right away. We knew it was over probably about 25 years old, so we knew we were pushing it even last year, so we knew we were looking at a new system.
Colin took a really great approach by giving us good, better, and best options and gave us the price structure for each. He just provided really good information so that we could make a good decision.
Mm-hmm. And he used a questionnaire for us to kind of help us decide what was the most important things we were looking, because the choices out there are really extensive. Great.
Yeah.
That's
very efficient, quiet, really good output on the air like he said it would. So been very pleased with it.
The filter system is working really well too. Well, one of the main reasons is just battling, living in the country, battling the dust. So we wanted a system that could pick up some of those particles and help me out a little bit with my cleaning rather than every day.
I would have to agree that we've seen a increase in air quality with the filtration system that they recommended. It's made the environment a little bit better and easier to maintain and clean. And of course, it's a health benefit too by having a filtration system.
Great, very respectful, showed up on time. If I had a concern or a question, he responds to email very, very quickly. He answers the phone. He doesn't make you feel rushed. He gives you time to make a decision. He gives you all that you need to make that decision. So that's huge.
Yeah. I would say his attentiveness to customer service is exceptional. He called after the installation was done, asked about how his team did and performed with the installation, and were we happy and comfortable with the product and the environment that it was producing. So it was really nice just to call and just to, touch base with his customers. Well, I think recommendations, they have to be earned. And when a company provides you exceptional service, you want to help them out, because exceptional service today is kind of hard to come by. And compared to other HVAC companies we've used in the last 2 years since we've lived in this home, a difference of day and night. And so it's really easy for us to promote somebody we're a fan of.